Tick, tock, U.S. inflation report drops now. Billions vanish from global markets in split second. Terrified traders watch screens melt. Financial bomb explodes. Can your portfolio survive this absolute chaos? Traders hold their breath as CPI numbers flash on screens. The market sits on a knife edge. Now, the Federal Reserve must decide: hike interest rates to fight inflation or risk a total economic meltdown. Inflation hits hard, panic spreads, investors dump assets, scramble for safety. Gold spikes, stocks crash, forex markets go wild. They hedge to survive the storm. No one is safe. Watch the charts burn. Look at past CPI releases. History always repeats. Algorithms read data, trigger automated sell-offs. Billions vanish in milliseconds. Machines control market now. You stand zero chance when these bots dump. Big banks trigger stop losses. Retail accounts vanish in seconds. Giants feast on market chaos while small traders watch helplessly. Volatility drains your wallet, fills their vaults. Game rigged. Inflation rages. Investors panic, dump government debt. Yields spike. Foreign currencies crash worldwide. Now desperate central banks intervene, spend billions, try stop bleeding. Global financial system shakes. Ruin looms. Look at order book. Liquidity vanish fast. Spread widen. Trader trap in bad position now. Price slip. No escape. Loss grow. Watch order book empty. Big pain follow. Market take money. Panic hits. Markets crash. Investors dump assets, buy dollar and gold fast. Safe havens rise. Meanwhile, other currencies burn. Watch fiat money turn to ash. Nothing else survives this collapse. Red screens flash. Margin calls wipe out retail accounts in seconds. Then, ultimate betrayal. Brokers lock apps. You cannot sell, you cannot buy. You watch your life savings vaporize into thin air. Wall Street panic hits home. Local banks lock vaults, freeze credit. Small businesses starve for cash. Your credit card declined at register. Money dried up overnight. How will you survive when banks lock doors? Government printed trillions overnight to rescue dying banks. But printing money has cost. Hyperinflation struck, burning purchasing power to ashes. Cash is now worthless paper. How will you survive crash? Look at streets. Cash is worthless trash. People dump millions because paper buys nothing. Today, you trade fuel for food or you starve. Welcome to barter economy. Survival has new rules. Fiat money died. Black markets rule ruins now. Starving people fight for bread. Law is gone. Only hunger remains. How far will you go to feed your family tonight? Guns guard grain. Militias seize silos. Control food, control life. Starving survivors trade freedom for bread. Heavy chains tighten for single loaf. How far you go to survive? Look at these ashes. Once this was a thriving city. Now only silence remains. The system failed. The collapse is here. When the grocery shelves go empty forever, how will you survive?